Hey guys, in this video today I'm going to take the passenger fender off and see how we are under that lip under there, and I'll take you through the process for all the bolts and everything to remove, and hopefully it won't be as tough as the other one. I think it's not quite as rotten down the bottom, so we should be good to go. So let's go and take a look. Okay, I just took the bezel on the fender, the headlight surrounder off. I'll just get started on this. There's some rubber buffers here that help locate the hood when it's down. Kind of little guys here, so they've got to come off. These seem to be coming out a lot easier than the other one. Okay, the ones under here may be covered in tar, so you have to dig for them a little bit. There's two of those. They're coming out a lot easier, so we're probably pretty lucky on this side. It's like someone's done a kind of a botchy repair down the bottom. Okay, there's the splash guard that come out pretty easy. Yeah, I mean, look at this. If you can see there, someone's I mean, look at that. That looks like a bit off a Coke can. Anyway, okay. Yeah. Oh, well, there's a bonus. Oh, I wonder if a few of you can guess what I found under here. There you go. A Hirschman power antenna. Ooh, that's pretty fun. So that's a nice, but see here, literally, see if we can get, someone looks like they've patched this with a freaking Coke can. I mean, real botchy. So we got obviously some box work to do under here. So, oh well, let's carry on and get this antenna out of there. Okay, so here it is. Hirschman powered antenna, which is kind of a bonus. That's pretty cool. Two mounting bolts down here. Looks like there was one up here, but that wasn't attached. Just got to undo the aerial part, this coaxial thing, and then this power plug. Suppose that's, there you go. And then this power plug that's got a quick release. Someone zip tied it as well, which is, I guess, a good idea, so it doesn't stress the cable. So there you go. That's great. That looks in pretty good shape. So it's even wired shut. So maybe it was after the factory fitting or something, or when it was serviced. So that's great. We'll put the top section on so we don't lose that. Okay, yeah, they're just tucked in the back there. We got the fan as well for the air conditioning fan, I guess it is. So they're a little tight back there. I'm gonna get a blanket. I mean, it's a bit tight. I've got those two bolts out. A little tricky, but if you can get a powered wrench on them, it's a lot easier. You know, it's a 10mm, and they're kind of covered in tar, so it takes a little getting used to. Now I've just got to take this lower trim off to enable to get to the lower two screws, and then we should be able to get it off. Okay, so I've got some scrapers here. Help me get underneath this trim here. I feel where the little plugs are, and just go real easy because you don't want to bend this stuff. Screw forgot about the screw. I think there's a screw right at the front here as well. And a screwdriver. Not sure if you can see it, but there is a screw right at the tip here. I thought it was they'd kind of put some other bolt or something in there, but it's not. It is a Phillips, and they've got all a bunch of gunk all over it. There you go. Okay, we'll just work our way along. We'll be real gentle. We'll just let the scraper ride along it and find the little catch, and then just give it a wiggle. It should come off. That will loosen up. There you go. Yeah, you got to look after these because these are not cheap, trimmed like this, you know. So looks in pretty good shape actually. All right, now that piece of trim is off, that exposes the 2 remaining screws down the bottom here. Hopefully they'll come out, otherwise I'll have to grind those off. Give them a few. That's a slotted screw there, so that's obviously not original. Wiggle it back and forth. That's not too bad, that one. Feels like that's spinning. Oh no, I think it's coming out. You can see this is the drain hole right there. So water comes down, drains out below here. So these are prone to getting blocked and rusting up here. So might be worth removing your trim and just checking this area. See, it's prone for that. A little wiggle. Sometimes they get stuck up here because of all the crap, and there's also some kind of mastic up there as well, I think. Kind of. There we go. Just pull this wire through. Oops. Yeah, you gotta laugh really, ain't you? I mean, this car is a 300 SEL Mercedes, and you can imagine the bloke sitting around, can't you? Finding this damage and going, shall we weld it up? Yeah, we better weld it up, but I can't be bothered to go and get some metal. Like, yeah, use the beer can, that'll do. They won't notice. And then we'll just shove a load of bitumen crap all over it. It's amazing, isn't it? Absolutely amazing. Anyway, never mind. We'll get it sorted. Right, let's start up here. Well, bonus. This is not rotted at all. This is more like it. So this is not, doesn't look like they're welded in nuts. They're like those little captured clip things. So that's awesome. That's really clear. Looks like possibly maybe a patch at one point. I don't know, I'll grind that off and see. And that looks pretty good. So you can see here, you see, this is where all those pine needles collect, and you can imagine it all builds up around here. These little crooks and crevices. So let's work our way down. Okay, it's a fan unit. This is the antenna mount for the powered aerial. This is that box. This is Mr. Beer Can Repair. Looks like it's taken quite a dent here, you see. Not as bad as the other side, but still going to need some work. So overall, that's not bad by first impressions. Go over this way to the front. On the other side of this bumper mount, I had some rot. Believe it or not, because it's pretty heavy metal here. So I'm going to grind all this off and check there aren't any holes. I'm going to check here. This looks a little flaky, but overall, that's good news. That's in pretty good shape, except for the box unit down there. So I think that's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.